3, 2, 1.
Musa, throw me down, Musa. He's driving. Yay, we going to New York today, inshallah. Bye, Papi. Bye, Papi. I love you. Mwah. Mwah. Yeah. Mwah. Mwah, Papi. Bye, Papi. Mwah. I love you, Papi. I love you, Papi. Come on, man.
Don't put me on camera without my cool.
Man, you look very humble, bro.
I know.
Man, you look humble. This guy, you look humble, Sheikh. You look real humble.
But the 𝐒𝐲 still love me.
That boy look real humble. Sheikh, you need a haircut, huh? You look humble. We out here. Oh. Free the Uyghurs. Free the Uyghurs. MashaAllah. We represent for the Muslims around the world.
Yeah, Muhammad, check out the cut that Twin got me.
MashaAllah.
Didn't need a barber.
Can you get a MashaAllah?
MashaAllah. Big MashaAllah.
Yes, all of Moses' people, Bani Israel, would have been destroyed. This is the day that Pharaoh was chasing Moses into the sea, right? Moses had nowhere to go. God ordered Moses to put the staff in the dirt and to split the sea. And Moses and his people went through, and then Pharaoh people followed them, and they drowned in that joint.
Sorry.
You got to put it on before you've been bored. Come on, bro. You holding up the line. There's a whole bunch of people out here, bro. Put your mask on, man. You're not exempt. You ain't nobody special. We're in New York. We just landed. Alhamdulillah. We got our luggage. Alhamdulillah. We're waiting for Big Mufti Rafiq to pick us up, inshallah. Big Mufti Rafiq picked us up in the airport. He organized the whole trip here, mashallah. Thank you so much, Big Mufti. Love you, man. Mashallah, tabarakallah. We live over here. We live. Allahumma barak. Allahumma barak. I'm with the one and only Grand Mufti. Allah yahfadak. I love his videos. I'm his Mufti, man. Jazakallah khair, bro. Mashallah.
We're honored and we're blessed to have you here, man. New York is blessed. May Allah bless both of you.
Can't wait to see you tonight. And tomorrow we balling now, inshallah. Let's go. We're here. I think they pulled up to the wrong one, bro. There you go, right there. Oh, okay. There you go. Yo, what? What the fuck?
I'm sprinting, and that was the video. So, subhanAllah, you reminded me of that. Just the eruption in my heart of emotions for making the masjid, because I grew up in the masjid. But alhamdulillah, jazakallah khair. Thank you so much for having me. Of course, I'm going to give the mic up to Muhammad. But since there's only one mic, I'm not quite finished.
We here, man, alhamdulillah. Welcome to the Hoop Finesse Basketball Tour. We in New York, you know what I'm saying? It's halal bacon time. We're about to get started here. We're going to have so much fun, inshallah. We got so many teams that came here that wasn't supposed to show up. And they here, man.
Let's go.
Look at the players, they're ready. They're locked and loaded.
Alright guys, it's been a multiple car accident. MashaAllah, subhanAllah, man. Look back there. That car is total. MashaAllah, we're here with 𝐒𝐲_𝐶𝐈. I mean SQ. Special quality. MashaAllah, we are in the Bronx, man. He's taking us down to the beach. MashaAllah, tabarakallah, right here in New York. This is beautiful, man. MashaAllah, tabarakallah, man. This is beautiful. Wow. I'm so glad that it looks clear. So it gives me hope for tomorrow, for the flight.
Animals
This is how it looks in the neighborhood in the Bronx, on the good side of Bronx. We are on the good side of Bronx, mashallah, tabarakallah, because Bronx is crazy over here. That's the projects right there, right? Okay. Wow. What city is that over there, SQ? To your right.
Right there.
Manhattan?
Yeah.
All the way back. Do you see it? Like,
Yeah.
It's the tallest one.
Wow, man.
They don't like our people around it though.
The bald dude? He was a bald dude, right?
I'm not even
So where we at now, Shakes?
We're in Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. We are here
This is Brooklyn.
with the bro. Don't be scared, you in the hood. Yes, sir, guys. We are in the gutter.
Whoa. Bro, hold on. It's
Don't
still
put that
very
in there.
expensive to live here. In here.
Oh, for real?
Everything- Yes, bro.
Oh, this ain't the gutter.
New York's very expensive.
Bro, a house like this. How much do you think a house like this costs?
At
Just one.
least $1 million. At least.
Bro, how much do you think a house like this costs?
way.
Bro, this house, I could look it up right now.
700 minimum.
650.
What? Are you serious? Nah.
And to your right,
Look at these homes, y'all. Oh my goodness, bro.
They got landscape.
Never thought of driving to
Woo-wee.
That's funny.
They have space.
How much these homes run, SQ?
No more, no less than $1 million.
No less than a
Oh,
mil.
no, 1.3.
Wow.
No less than $1 million.
Wow.
Look at those perfect hedges. Oh my
Wow, man.
Oh my
1.3 milli. Oh my God. Look at these
Oh, wow, you
joints.
just parked with some ugly rims?
Oh my god.
Bro, these homes are beautiful, bro.
It's so rectangle.
Yes, man. It's like perfect, right?
symmetrical.
Like symmetrical. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. Wow, mashallah, tabarakallah, man. We're in Brooklyn, middle of Brooklyn, mashallah. Look at this, y'all. We out here, man. We are out here, Brooklyn. What's up? Mashallah, tabarakallah, man. I love New York. I love it.
This infinity's pissing me off.
$50, Shay? We are headed to the masjid. This is what the masjid looks like in Brooklyn. I mean Bronx, mashallah. We're in Bronx. We've been in so many boroughs already, mashallah. Bismillah. 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 Allah. Oh, they're praying. Hey guys, lit, man. We're in a hurricane. I want to show you guys how the hurricane looks. Long Island's been raining all day yesterday, all night last night, and it's still pouring down. We are in this small town called City Island. This small town is called City Island. It is very nice, but you can't really enjoy it right now because of the rain, the weather. But hopefully, if we're still here tomorrow, we will try to walk the City Island, inshallah, here in Long Island, New York. Bronx. Hey, we're in the Bronx, right? We're in the Bronx.
In the Bronx, City Island.
City Island.
City Island.
We've been stuck here for 2 days now. I think it's going to be another 2 days until the hurricane passes over. Stacy, I love you and I miss you. I'm sorry, baby. We're stuck in the storm. Oh, ooh. Boy, look. We need them bags, Shay. Mashallah, my boy Faisal Latif. He's leaving abroad, going to Europe for a tour, mashallah. We're going to miss you, boy. May Allah bless you with a safe trip, bro. May Allah bless you, man. Ameen.
Bless your
Ameen, ameen, ameen. The storm is still here. Mashallah, tabarakallah, man. We're going to miss you, man.
Yo, just keep pull up and check, man. You know, you gotta,
Yeah. Pull him up. Pull up.
You gotta pull,
Pull him up.
You gotta pull
Pull
up.
up. Mashallah. Guys, is this our 4th day or 5th day here in New York? We've been here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Well, we're still stuck in New York.